So in Figma, you can create a design file and you can create a Figjam file right here. And the beauty of it is you can bring in the design file content onto a Figjam and a Figjam file to design file right here. So to show you an example, I'm going to open up this design file. So Figma design file is here. So this is what you use to create a UI. So it's being loaded up, as you can see right here. So it's loading up right here. And there you go. So let's say you want to copy out a layout. So you can see on the left side, you got these layout. Simply select all of these and press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy it out. So if I were to go around over here in example, you can see that this is a Figjam file. So simply press Ctrl V and they will be pasted out right here, as you can see right here. So these are the Figma design file, which is brought into a Figjam file, as you can see. You can also go do the same right here. So you can go around, press Ctrl C, go on to the design file, press Ctrl V, and there you go. So now what you have is you got the design, you got the Figjam designs and all the contents in a Figma design file right here. And that is how you can bring in contents from a design file to a Figjam file and vice versa inside of Figma. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.